Good morning, dear children. Children, we have completed our first lesson, The Pleasure of Rain, no? Did you read, children? What did you understand? Say, children. Our Lenjo was waiting for the rain, and during meal, big drops of rain began to fall. Then what did he do? He went out to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. That much we are completed. Then what happened? Come to the next lesson, children. What is the title? Can you say? A Night of Sorrow. A Night of Sorrow. Page number 39. Take page number 39. Listen, children, I will read for you. Listen carefully. A night of sorrow. He looked at the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Very large hailstones began to fall. "It's really getting bad now," exclaimed Lencho. "I hope it passes quickly." It did not pass quickly. It came for an hour on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, and the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers had disappeared from the plants. Lenjo's soul was filled with sadness. That night was a sorrowful one. "This year we will have no corn. There is no one to help us. We'll all go hungry this year." But in the hearts of folk who lived in that solitary house, there was a single hope: help from God. All through the night, Lenjo thought only of his one hope, God. Did you understand, children, the meaning? Yes. Why was Lenjo very sorrowful that night? Why did he become very sorrowful that night? Can you say? Listen, children. He looked at the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. And when he went out to enjoy the pleasure of rain, he looked at the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. He looked at the field of ripe corn. We saw that that cornfield was filled with the flowers and ripe corn, and flowers draped in a curtain of rain. That flowers draped in a curtain of rain means റെയിനിൻ്റെ കർട്ടനാൽ തൂക്കിയിടപ്പെട്ട ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ്. He looked at the field of ripe corn with its flowers. ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനാൽ നിറഞ്ഞ്. draped in a curtain of rain. മഴ പെയ്ത് മഴയുടെ കർട്ടനാൽ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് നിറഞ്ഞ് തൂക്കിയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കർട്ടൻ, മഴയുടെ കർട്ടനും കൊണ്ട് തൂക്കിയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെയും നോക്കി അവൻ നിന്നു. He looked at the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. റെയിനിൻ്റെ കർട്ടനാൽ തൂക്കിയിടപ്പെട്ട, ഡ്രേപ്ഡ് മീൻസ് തൂക്കിയിടപ്പെട്ട, റെയിനിൻ്റെ കർട്ടനാൽ തൂക്കിയിടപ്പെട്ട ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെയും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ റൈപ്പ് കോണിനെയും നോക്കി അവൻ നിന്നു. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Very large hailstones began to fall. Then suddenly what happened, children? A strong wind began to blow. വലിയ കാറ്റ്, strong wind began to blow, and very large hailstones began to fall. What happened then suddenly? Yes, strong wind began to blow, and also large hailstones began to fall. Do you know what is the meaning of hailstones, children? HAILSTONE, hailstones. Do you know? Hailstones means ആലിപ്പഴം. ചിലപ്പോഴൊക്കെ മഴ പെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിലൊക്കെ വല്ലപ്പോഴുമേ ഹെയിൽസ്റ്റോൺസ് പെയ്യാറുള്ളൂ. പക്ഷേ യൂറോപ്യൻ കൺട്രീസിലൊക്കെ അത് സാധാരണയാണ്. ഹെയിൽസ്റ്റോൺസ് മിക്കപ്പോഴും പെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. hailstones, ആലിപ്പഴം. Okay, then what happened? A strong wind began to blow and also large hailstones began to fall. Then what did he say? Lenjo, it is really getting bad now, exclaimed Lenjo. It is really getting bad now. The situation is very bad now, he exclaimed. I hope it passes quickly. അപ്പം he said that it passes quickly. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇപ്പം തന്നെ അവസാനിക്കുമെന്നാണ് അവൻ്റെ ഹോപ്പ്. ബട്ട് വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ? ഇറ്റ് ഡിഡ് നോട്ട് പാസ് ക്വിക്കലി. അത് വേഗമൊന്നും പോയില്ല. ഇറ്റ് ഹെയ്ഡ് ഫോർ ആൻ അവർ ഓൺ ദ ഹൗസ്, ദ ഗാർഡൻ, ദ ഹിൽ സൈഡ്, ദ കോൺഫീൽഡ് ആൻഡ് ദ ഹോൾ വാലി. വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? ദാറ്റ് hailstones did not stop quickly and it hailed for an hour on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield and the whole valley. The hailstones hailed for an hour on the whole valley. ഹോൾ വാലിയിൽ ഹൗസ് ടോപ്സിലും ഗാർഡനിലും ഹിൽസൈഡിലും കോൺഫീൽഡിലും എല്ലാം 1 മണിക്കൂറോളം നിന്ന് hailstones പെയ്തു. The field was white as if covered with salt. And when that hailstones came for an hour, the field became so white as if covered with salt. സോൾട്ടിനാൽ നിറഞ്ഞ ഫീൽഡ് പോലെ വൈറ്റ് ഫീൽഡായി മാറി. ആലിപ്പഴം പെയ്ത് എല്ലാം സ്നോയിൽ മുങ്ങിക്കിടന്നു. അപ്പോൾ വൈറ്റ് ഫീൽഡായി മാറി. ദ ഫീൽഡ് വാസ് വൈറ്റ് ആസ് ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് കവേർഡ് വിത്ത് സാൾട്ട്. സാൾട്ടിനാൽ നിറഞ്ഞ ആ ഫീൽഡ് പോലെ സ്നോയും കൊണ്ട് നിറഞ്ഞു കിടന്നു അവൻ്റെ ഫീൽഡ്. നോട്ട് എ ലീഫ് റിമെയിൻഡ് ഓൺ ദ ട്രീസ്. നോ ലീഫ് വാസ് റിമെയിൻഡ് ഓൺ ദ ട്രീസ്. ഡിഡ് യു സീ ദ പിക്ചർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? കുഡ് യു സീ എനി ലീഫ് ദർ ഓൺ ദ ട്രീ? No leaf, no? There was no leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. What happened to the cornfield? That cornfield was totally destroyed. നശിച്ചു പോയി. DESTROYED. Destroyed. നശിച്ചു പോയി. The flowers had disappeared from the plants and also all the flowers disappeared from the plants. Lenjo's soul was filled with sadness. So Lenjo became very sad and his soul was filled with full of sadness. That night was a sorrowful one. That night was very sorrowful one for Lenjo. He became very sad and his soul was filled with full of sadness and he became very sad that night and that night was a sorrowful for him. This year we will have no corn. There is no one to help us. We will all go hungry this year. What did he say? This year we will have no corn. We won't get any corn from our field and also we have no one to help us. There is no one to help us also. We won't get any corn this year and we have nobody to help us and we will go hungry this year and also we will not get good corn or we will not get no corn and there is no one to help us, so we will go hungry this year we will die out of hunger. നമ്മൾ വിശപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് മരിക്കുമെന്നാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house there was a single hope. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house, single house, solitary means only one house. We saw that in that crest of the hill, the house, the only house in the whole valley was the house of Lenjo. And in that solitary house means a single house. What in the hearts of all who lived, those who lived in that hut or in that house, in their hearts there was a single hope, help from God. അവർക്ക് പിന്നെ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് ഒരേ ഒരു ഹോപ്പ് മാത്രമായിരുന്നു. only one hope, that is help from God. ദൈവം ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്കിനി നിൽക്കക്കള്ളിയുള്ളൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ആ ഒരേ ഒരു ഹോപ്പ് മാത്രമായിരുന്നു ആ സോളിറ്ററി ഹൗസിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നവർക്കുള്ളത്. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, God. And what did he think all through that night? Full night he thought about the help of God, his only hope, God. Listen, children, read the lesson 2 times and find out the answers of the questions given. What are the questions given here, children? First question, Lenjo was happy when it started raining, but the happiness did not last long. What was the reason? What happened? His happiness did not last long. What happened, children? We saw that a big wind, strong wind began to blow, and also started very large hailstones began to fall. So his happiness did not last long. Next one. Pick out the expressions which tell you that Lenjo was sad. Lenjo was sad. Which sentence is telling in this lesson? Lenjo's soul was filled with sadness, and that night was a sorrowful one. And next one. Lenjo expresses, this year we will have no corn and there is no one to help us. We will go hungry this year. ഇതിൽ നിന്നും നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും Lenjo was very sad. And the next question, what changes did the hailstone brings to the valley? What changes did the hailstone give? What happened? The ripe corn was totally destroyed, and the flowers and the leaves have disappeared from plants. Children, read and understand the lesson, and I will give you 2 chapters question answers next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.